The girl with the crooked shot. Tina loved basketball, but she didn't love her shot. Her arms were strong, her legs were quick, and she could run all day. But every time she threw the ball, it spun too far left or bounced off the rim. Her coach called it a crooked shot. Her teammates laughed sometimes. Not mean, just surprised. "She's fast, but the hoop hates her," one girl joked. Tina laughed too, but inside she felt like quitting. One day after practice, Coach Lee stopped her. "Tina," he said, "your shot is different." "But different doesn't mean bad." Tina blinked. "But it never goes in." "Not yet," Coach said. "What you have is called spin control. Most people don't know how to use it. But you already have it by accident." He handed her a soft ball. "Shoot this, no pressure. Just feel the motion." She did. The ball flew left, then curved right, and dropped through the hoop. Tina's eyes widened. "I did that?" "You did. Let's fix the angle, not the spin." So every day after school, Tina practiced. Not with the others. Just her, Coach Lee, and the sound of bouncing balls and sneakers on the gym floor. She adjusted her wrist, aimed her feet, and learned how to use her crooked shot like a secret weapon. The school tournament came fast. Tina's team was strong, but the final game was close. Tied with 20 seconds left. The crowd was loud. Everyone stood. Coach called timeout. The team huddled. "We go with Tina," he said. Everyone turned to her. "You sure?" the captain asked. Coach smiled. "She's ready." Back on the court, the ball passed from player to player, then into Tina's hands. The clock ticked. She took 2 steps, bent her knees, and let it fly. The ball spun high. The crowd held its breath. It curved left, curved right, and swished through the net. Buzzer. Game over. Tina stood frozen, shocked, then burst out laughing as her team lifted her in the air. Life lesson. What makes you different might be exactly what makes you great. Tina's story reminds us that even when others don't understand your unique way of doing things, it doesn't mean you're doing it wrong. With practice, patience, and belief in yourself, your biggest weakness can become your greatest strength.